Midjourney version 6 alpha is finally out. I was just scrolling through Twitter, X, and there I saw it. Now I just typed the Midjourney version 6 into the search bar, and then you can see here on X all the different images that have been created with Midjourney version 6 so far. And some of them look very, very good. But the really cool thing is that it's now able to create text. Yes, Midjourney can now create text. Yes, the Midjourney can now actually finally create text. Not that easy, it will do quite some things wrong, especially if the prompt gets very complex, but let's have a look at how to use Midjourney version 6 and if we can create some text with it. Alright guys, I'm holding it in my hand, so let's see if we can make that work. To use Midjourney version 6, you can either go here into Settings, and go into Settings, and there you can, up here, just select the Midjourney Model 6 Alpha. Or another thing that you can do is, at the end of your prompt, you just type --v6. This is what you can do as well. Now let's try to create some text. So let's type /imagine, and let's make it a person holding a sign with the words like this video. And if you appreciate my update, I would highly appreciate a like on this video. Also, if you like this style of video and it's not too shaky for you, because I was thinking it's really a lot of work to stay on top of news updates on time. So when I see news updates that are interesting or important that I want to talk about, I will make videos like this, where I just rawly talk into the camera, talk to you, and show you what I have found on X, on YouTube, or wherever. So if you like this style of videos, leave a like or tell me in the comments. But let's see how our text looks. And this is what we got first try. Now, of course, we can try more times, and then we'll probably get something even better, but I think that's already pretty good. It's not on par with DALL-E 3 yet, but still, we have real words, and they all make sense. Mostly make sense. Another thing that's very cool on version 6 is that Midjourney follows the prompt more closely and can add in more details. You know, when you type in, for example, girl with blue hair, and then everything in the picture gets blue? Well, yeah, it's not like that anymore. And Future Tech Pilot made a good video showing that. So I'll just play a short clip of that video. I of course link the video down in the description. Go check out that video, but I'll show you what I mean. So let's go here and let's just play this short clip.
How many details can we include in one prompt? I started off small and then I added details one at a time. First I went with a man with blue glasses. And obviously this maybe could have been better. The blue sort of came through in the light rather than the glasses itself. But just wait till you see what it does next. And then I went with a man with blue glasses and red earrings. Sure enough, it nailed that in every one of the pictures. Clear blue glasses and red earrings. Okay, 2 details. That's honestly probably better than version 5 already.
Oh yes, for sure. Version 5 couldn't do 2 details. It would either create everything in blue or everything in red. That was horrible.
Blue glasses and red earrings, comma. He is wearing a green sweater. Yes, Midjourney, he is. Look how cool is that? Oof. 3 details, no problem. This is where I started to get surprised. And in this whole experiment, I tried to stick with color as the added detail because that's such a clear thing.
So as you can see now, he added a yellow car, and the more details he adds, the less realistic the pictures get. Definitely check out Future Tech Pilot. I'll link the video down in the description. So I'm very excited to start playing with version 6. I'll jump into it right now and probably over the holidays. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this quick update. I'll see you in the next video.